Hi, I'm Andy from the Applications Department here at SYS. Today we're just going to give you a brief tour of our Origin system. So this is our Origin system, which is our P3 based technology. It works as a DLP system. So based down at the bottom on the internal of the printer there is a 5K projector that is going to source up light across the build platform. So as we open the system, you can see down here, this is where we place our resin. So it's got a clear membrane and clear screen underneath. All we simply do is pour in our selected resin, and our build head is then going to come down, submerge full into the resin. How it works is that our membrane will then inflate to put pressure against the build head as it projects the light source for each individual layer. We can control those layers depending on materials and how we're printing the parts. So after each individual layer is projected up, the build head will raise slightly after the deflation of the membrane, allowing the material to flood across the entire layer again before that inflates and we get contact again, before repeating, and then our parts will be pulled out of the resin beneath. One of the main benefits that we have from using the Origin system is short run productions. We can get turnaround times reduced massively from traditional methods. We have a large range of materials varying from elastomeric to standard materials more like polypropylene-like based materials, ABS. We then have high spec materials which can go to high temperatures, to 300 degree plus, high chemical resistance or ceramic filled. So with combining the wide range of material properties along with the excellent surface finish that the Origin does give you, we see a wide range of applications for it. So we see it anywhere from testing and prototyping and then end use parts. So when we say end use parts, we're seeing things like electrical connectors, fittings in the automotive industry, tooling, and then also custom built medical devices. So if you do have any more questions or you want to see the machine in greater detail, please get in touch with us today.